This video is for educational and reflective purposes only. It does not replace professional psychological or medical advice. If mental health concerns affect your life, consult a qualified professional. Man is not what he thinks he is. He is what he hides. André Malraux. Most human behavior is guided by empathy. We feel guilt, we feel concern, we sense the emotional weight of our actions. But what happens when these internal signals are weakened or absent? This is the territory of psychopathy. Psychopathy is a personality pattern associated with superficial charm, lack of empathy, manipulativeness, emotional shallowness, impulsivity, and risk-taking. It is often discussed within antisocial personality disorder, though the two are not identical. Psychopathy represents a specific psychological profile. A key feature of psychopathy is reduced emotional response. Fear, guilt, and remorse may be significantly diminished. This does not mean the individual cannot understand emotions, but they may experience them differently. Many individuals with psychopathic traits appear socially functional. They can be charismatic, persuasive, intelligent. Some psychologists describe this as a mask of normality. Research has identified differences in brain regions linked to emotional processing, fear responses, empathy networks. Areas such as the amygdala often show reduced activation during emotional stimuli. This may explain the muted emotional response. Psychopathy often preserves cognitive empathy. This means the person can understand what others are feeling. But emotional empathy, actually feeling another's distress, may be limited. This combination can enable manipulation. Psychopathy likely emerges from a combination of genetic predisposition, early environmental influences, childhood behavioral patterns. The exact origins remain complex and debated. Popular culture often portrays psychopaths as violent criminals. In reality, psychopathic traits exist along a spectrum. Some individuals with these traits function in society without engaging in crime. For most people, conscience acts as a warning system. Guilt signals moral boundaries. In psychopathy, that signal may be weaker. Decisions may therefore be guided more by strategy than by emotional restraint. Symbolically, psychopathy represents a mind where emotional gravity is reduced. Actions are not pulled downward by the weight of empathy. Instead, behavior may move freely through logic and advantage. Psychopathy challenges a common assumption: that empathy is universal. It reminds us that human psychology contains many architectures, some warm, some distant, all part of the spectrum of the human mind. Psychopathy is not simply evil or villainy. It is a rare psychological configuration where emotion and morality interact differently. Understanding it does not excuse harm, but it helps illuminate the complexity of human behavior. If this exploration resonated with you, like the video and subscribe for more journeys into the hidden structures of the mind.